Hi, Brendan here with another episode of Coach Gee TV. It's almost here. Thanksgiving dinner. One of the biggest, best meals of the year. What I'm going to do now, though, is take you to after the meal, after you've eaten all the turkey, all the stuffing, all the pie, all the mashed potatoes, everything you name it. You're sitting on the couch and you can't move. You're miserable. You've gorged yourself. You're bloated. You got indigestion. And you're saying to yourself, I can't believe I ate all that. Well, we all get seduced at Thanksgiving. We see all that wonderful food and our eyes are bigger than our stomach and we go to town and eventually we pay a price. Again, with the indigestion and whatnot. I'm going to talk about not only right now how investors get seduced in some completely absurd behavior. Think about it for a second. See if this is you. Every day, without any understanding how markets work, we're handing our life savings over to people we'll never meet. Ask yourself, have you ever had a face-to-face conversation with a fund manager who's managing your investments for you? Not the advisor, the fund manager. Have you ever had a conversation with them? So again, we have no idea how markets work. We hand our life savings over to people we're never going to meet. We have very little idea as to what they're actually doing with our money without any assurance that what they're doing actually works. It's a recipe for disaster. I'm going to show you how the disaster has unfolded. From 1990 through 2019, the S&P 500 U.S. large company stocks, the annualized rate of return is 9.96%. The average mutual fund investor has done 5.04%. So the average mutual fund investor out there has forfeited 50% of the returns that are available to them. So what happens here? Again, no understanding how markets work, little understanding about what's being done with our money, no, without any assurance that what they're doing actually works. What actually happens is investors go off of stories, either a story that they're telling themselves or a story that somebody is telling you about what it is you should be doing with your money. Bear in mind, those stories have no academic proof that they're actually going to work. So we start doing things, making decisions, engaging in behaviors that are in complete conflict with what we're trying to do. Think about how your life would be different today if you were able to capture 50% more in returns over the previous 30 years. Think about what your life's going to be like if you forfeit 50% of the returns that are available to you over the course of the next 30 years. So again, we get seduced around food and Thanksgiving. We get seduced around investing. We get seduced and start engaging in behavior that's in conflict with what we're ultimately trying to do. So something to bear in mind. If we don't understand how markets work, we're probably engaged in behavior that's ultimately going to come back to hurt us. Have a great Thanksgiving. If you have any questions on this, give me a call or shoot me an email. Bye.